Okay, we have the new Highway Zealots 90. We can get medals from the base, 25,000. They're a little bit tricky. Took me a while to figure this out. First thing I attack with is technicals. There are certain things you got to get rid of to make it easier for you. Look out, they're getting ready to blow me up. If you can get rid of these little pesty guys, then you can attack with your jug and the rest of them, and it'll be pretty easy. Right now we're just baiting. Get them to come out, knock them off. Get him to fire. As soon as he fires, we attack. There we go. So wait till he fires. As soon as he fires, it'll all go over your head. All right, he's gone. So we get rid of the howlers. We get rid of these guys. There's 4 of them. But watch out. He will kill you. So you bait him, you get him to come out, and you wait till he fires. As soon as he fires, you attack. There. Boom. If you wait till he fires, then all the bullets will go over your head. Okay, he's gone. Now we're going to go over here and get rid of a couple more howlers. Our goal is to get the least amount of damage and to get 25,000 medals. Take out the howlers. Get this one to come out a little bit. Bait him. Here he comes. All right, we got him. We got 1 foot soldier we want to kill. Don't get too close. All right, we're good. Now we're going to get rid of another tower. All right, he's gone. Now, this guy's a little bit tricky because he's so close and there's so many dangerous things. So you got to pull him out a little bit. Get him to come out. Get him to come out. All right, now next time he fires, he's ours. Boom. All right, that's it. They're gone. Now to give you more time, I just reset the base. And, okay, we're done with the technicals. Now we're going to go in with the jug, with the dark storm. And let's go in here. And we're just going to slowly remove the base. First time I went in, didn't do it well. Got lots of repairs. So we just want to set it up to do the least amount of damage possible. Use the Dark Storm's shadow to protect you as you do this. Okay, that's good right there. Now we'll attack with a jug. We want to empty most of the base. Just a couple strategic shots. Now make sure when you have this that you have a howler with the electric op. Not necessarily the electric op, the charged ordnance. You have a charged ordnance, that way you don't need to spend any money on an electric op. So this howler here has charged ordnance. And that's what you need to keep the tanks from attacking. Once he shoots, they're not moving. Okay, now here's another little secret. You shoot right here. Get these guys to stop and get them out of the way. All right, they're safe there. Now you shoot right here and you'll clear out all this because these bunkers are very dangerous. So we're just going to shoot right here and that'll clear out most of that side. The key to this whole thing is where you make your shots, how you do it. You do it right, and you get very, very little damage. All right, let's take these guys out. They're a pain in the butt. Don't be in a hurry. Just take your time. Move these guys up here because we're going to eventually come over here and attack them, and we're going to get them in position. But first, we got to get rid of this guy. Get him up here. Get him tucked away. All right, that's good enough. Now let's go down. Oh, he shot. He usually doesn't shoot. That's all right. We'll take him out the next shot. He's ours. You get a little bit of damage, but you don't get much. Now everybody's going to start attacking, so here they come. Here they come, yep. And then this is where you need the charged ordnance, the howler with the charged ordnance, because what he'll do is he'll shoot the tanks, and the tanks will freeze. The less damage you get, the better. We're almost done. We're just going to go over here, clear out these guys. Once we clear out those guys, we're going to send in our envoys, and they'll empty the base. And then you'll have 25,000 medals. As long as you're patient, just slowly work your way around. Take your time. Get people where they're safe, where they're protected. All right, that's good enough right there. Now let's go in here and basically clear out this stuff, because once you get rid of him, then we're all good to go. All right, so you know the tank, we just need to freeze him. The howler with the charged ordnance will make him freeze, and then he won't do any damage. And now we retreat. We retreat, and with the envoys clear the base. So as you see, we got very little damage. Let's see, envoys right here. Where are you coming in from? All right, fellas, where are you? Oh, you're over here. You never know where they're going to come in. All right. So now we're just going to clear out the rest. Stay away from anything can hurt the envoy. This guy won't do much damage. He'll just have minimal damage. That's it. 25,000 medals. And now we'll just look at them here. This will be basically no damage. You can repair that in less than 5 minutes with 0. Let's see how much damage these guys got. He's got, basically you end up with almost no damage. What I'll do is I'll wait till the base is right there. Sometimes the base is far away. I'll show you how much damage we get. Really very, very minimal damage. And that's all there is to it. Once this comes up, isn't it fun waiting for the lag? All right, let's see what we got. Okay, 5 minutes damage on the jug. This is the jug and all the guys, which is in, okay, that's it, 6 seconds. Cost us 6. With the envoys, 20 seconds of damage. Nothing. And, oh yeah, okay, the techs. No damage. Well, that's not right. Got to go back out. They definitely got damage. Sometimes when you go in and it says they have no damage, that's not right. There's a little bit of damage, but there's not much. All right, let's see how much damage they have. They have very little damage. Okay, 11 minutes, but we're not waiting 11 minutes. All you have to do is clear them out so that you have less than 5 minutes, and you do instant repair. just keep repairing such. You have less than 5 minutes repair, and you have instant repair. That's it. So actually, I mean, it's even though it's a little bit of repair, I call that no damage because it's instant repair. That's it. Enjoy.